I'm keeping it my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I got a green.
Hello guys, and we are about to take a look inside my camera bag. They gotta wait. Every time I shoot a video, people want to message me. Alright, y'all. So, looking inside of the bag, you know what I'm saying? Here I got my 50mm 1.4G. This is a Nikon lens. I love the Nikon lenses, although I can't always afford them. But definitely the 50mm Nikon is one that you need for portraits and stuff. Like, it's just a great fucking lens. Next up, I got my Nikon 24-85, which it's a variable aperture lens. It goes 3.5 to 4.5. You know what I'm saying? Which ain't bad. You know what I'm saying? It's not bad at all, but I prefer the fixed aperture, and I need to get all of my lens covers put on because that's real bad. But they do be in the bag, so it ain't that bad. I got another 50mm. This is a fixed aperture lens. I use it mostly for when I do a video. I'll throw that on and run with that. I have a couple of flashes. Both of them are the SB800s. This is really something that I use. Oh, that shit was on, bro. Yep, I believe that was on. I might probably have to charge the batteries. This is something that I really use like in my beginning days. I mean, it's still good for if I want to use like off-camera flash and I just don't want to use it. I don't want to put on my big strobes. I can use these flashlights. But the difference between these and the strobes is they're not as powerful. So like for inside stuff, it wouldn't be bad. For group pictures and stuff, of course, I'm not going to use them. But if you know what you're doing with your camera, you can adjust your settings and you can make it spread to its maximum capacity. However, like I said, I would not recommend it. I have my transmitters. This is for my Elinchrom lights. As you can see there, it's only to those lights. Also, I have Pocket Wizards. This is one of them. I have 3 more. These Pocket Wizards are going to be able to link to these lights, these speed lights, my strobes, anything that has a PC sync port, and a Pocket Wizard on the other sides. They're awesome. What else? Of course, yeah, I got my camera. It's a Nikon D800. I am not one of those people that run out and buy a new camera every time one drops. I know that the D850 just drops, and it's pricey as fuck. So I'm good over here with my D800 that's, you know, paid for and still making me money. Attached to my D800, I have a Sigma lens. Now, aftermarket lenses kind of get a bad rap, but they're not bad. This Sigma 7200, I've taken some beautiful images with. Let me show you something. Yeah, see, like, it's a beautiful lens. It does a beautiful job. And compared to the 70-200 2.8 that Nikon offers, I mean, you save about 2 bands. You know what I'm saying? 2 whole bands. So definitely something that's worth the while. All right, now we're gonna take this on over here. You know what I'm saying? You can see here we got extra batteries and such. I also have a case in which I put all of my SD cards, which they all are kind of all over the place right now. Oh, look. Looks like we have a couple. And by couple, I mean 5. Look at that. This shit is crazy, right? Because, I mean, the car holder really only holds like so many. Alright, so let me up. Right there. I will call them later. So yeah, these are the cords that hook into these flashes, and I can use those. These are, oh no, hold on, I got that backwards. Okay, yeah, these are the ones. Yeah, because they have that screw-on connector. So those are the ones I use for the flashes. I do have some extra batteries here. Those are for my cameras. Those fit the D800. I also have, like I said, some extra memory cards and shit. You know what I'm saying? You can never, as a photographer, you can never have enough of these joints. You know what I'm saying? Like these 32 joints is the truth. You know what I'm saying? 32, 16. You know what I'm saying? Either way. Actually, I see now that 2 of these are like adapters or whatever. So like those are for my smaller cameras. I want to say this is like a 64. 64 joint. Yeah, so that's like a 64 mag. I'm gonna actually probably pop this out. See the class 10, class 10. Yeah, this one definitely going to my GoPro after I get those. And this other adapter, it's like a 2 gig. I don't even know why the fuck that's in there. But yeah, the 64 gig in here is definitely coming out and going in my GoPro, because I think I got a 32 gig in there. And then it's like 3 additional slots for CF cards. But you can just throw them there, right there for right now. Boom. And then like I said, I got extra batteries for my other gadgets. These are rechargeable Any-Loops from Panasonic. They're great batteries. I haven't had no issues. I run them in my Nikon speed lights. I also run them in my Pocket Wizards. I run them in my other triggers. Like, it's just good for everything. So, I also got some extra bases for my these go to my tripod, my big heavy duty tripod that I don't never fucking use, but I got extra bases. I got them. Well, y'all, this about wraps it up. I just wanted to take a minute and show y'all what's in my camera bag and how I'm rocking. It's your boy Ella Severado, aka D Macaw Images on Instagram. Signing off. Gone.